How to change access mobile banking mobile number online. Now from here, um, every settings specifically for your personal information, you can actually change it all on your mobile app. You can also change it via the Google or the browser. Now once you're here, all you have to do is log in. And before you do, there are three things where you can change your or update your mobile number linked to your bank account. Now, first thing is you can change it via the ATM machine, or you can also change it by going to a branch visit, or the third one is going to be the website or online. Now, after you log into your account, all you have to do is just click on the three dots located at the lower right portion of your screen and then just go to more services and then from there go to your info. Now, once you're currently on your info, all you have to do is just simply press on change mobile number and then choose whether it's going to be for your credit card or for your savings account. Now, once you selected those options, all you have to do is to enter the updated mobile number and then you will have a testing on receiving an OTP. So once you have received an OTP, your one-time password, that's the time that your phone or your mobile number will be updated to a new one. So that's how easy and quick you can change your Access Bank mobile number.